So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I guess you already know what it contains because you guys kept asking to make a video on a particular bay, and this video is about that particular bay. So well, it came yesterday, and as soon as it came I opened it, and the reason behind that is you guys kept asking about that particular bay, so I wanted to open and share a pic as soon as possible, and that's what I did yesterday. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might know what I shared yesterday and what it contains. So before I talk too much, let's get into the action right away and let me open the parcel. So as I told you, I opened it. So yes, it's open and it is what it is. So I opened it because there was not much to unbox. And one thing I want to point out, whenever you are buying a flame Beyblade, either apply these stickers with super glue or just throw them away. That's what I do basically. So this is pretty much how we get the bay, and that's how I got yesterday. So this is what pretty much we get here. And that was pretty much the unboxing, except the stickers, which actually I don't care about. And I was not about to make this video because I have pre-ordered a real Valkyrie from Takara Tomy, and that is having some issues with customs and all. Let's hope it comes soon. So this is the shot driver which everybody was talking about, and yesterday I was able to take a look, and guys, it looks sick. So the idea is it will go in. So it goes in like this, and then when it hits, it comes out. So this is how the shot driver gimmick works. So it goes in and it comes out. So this is the shot driver gimmick. So this is all the stuff we get. Let me open it and let me show you what it brings for us. So like other DB bays, it doesn't have 5 parts, it has just 4 parts. So the weight disc is inside the driver, so that's one hell of a crazy driver to have, honestly. And this is the Saviour ring or Saviour layer, whatever you wanna call it. And we got Valkyrie DB core, and we got this 7 armor. So that's how it got the name Saviour Valkyrie shot-7. So let me put it back, and that's your Saviour Valkyrie shot-7. And I'm not gonna apply any sticker, it looks already pretty good, so no problem there, guys. So I'm gonna try one quick thing, and for that I got some bays here, pretty much each bay from every generation. So I just want to try out its backward compatibility. So this is here first generation Beyblade Wild Vibron. Let's see if it fits. Okay, so the fitting is a bit abnormal, I would say, but it fits. That's what all that matters. So yes, this driver has a backward compatibility, but if you can find a metal ring from some like metal generation Beyblades, you can put it in between. But the real problem would be to find it of the right shape and size. But the good thing is, yes, this driver fits in our first generation Beyblade. So let me keep the first gen Beyblade aside. Talking about the second gen base, that is Evolution. You got that covered too. Yes, it fits. Looks crazy, but it does. Now turbo base, third generation. Yes sir, you got that covered too. Looks crazy, but yes. So if you find the metal ring of this size, this combo is gonna work with pretty much all the base without looking even weird. Now it's time for its fourth generation, that is GT. Yes sir, we got that covered. And even I guess in GT it doesn't look that weird. If this tip goes in, it looks pretty good according to me. But this is where it drills down. The fifth generation, that is Super King, and I have a feeling it's gonna fit perfectly, guys. We don't even need a weight disc. Oh my god, look at that. Guys, this fits amazingly. Looks like shot driver was meant for Lucifer the End. So obviously the Super King bays which have these kind of discs, this is cow disc, and there is similar disc and all. There are a lot of discs, like those are very weird and all. With those discs it fits amazingly because the disc they used here is pretty much the same, and these teeth are also like those. So it fits amazingly with the Lucifer the End. So that's shot driver for you. I mean, shot is a pretty amazing driver, so it was worth to check that out. So I have explained the short gimmick. So talking about these gimmicks, so guys, it may seem flexible rubber to you, but it's a bit flexible plastic. It's not rubber at all. Don't get fooled by that. So that's where TT and this guy has their differences. So you might end up cutting this guy, like use a knife or something like that, and just chop it off. I'm not gonna do it right away, but maybe someday I will. So yes, it looks pretty good. I mean, one thing I wanted to point out, you can even see the colors, right? How good it looks. Even without the stickers, this time their coloring job has improved. Yes, Flame has improved. When their Belial came out, the colors were good, but I told, like, they are not really, like that kind of poppy. They are not really that vibrant, but this time they are still not up to the Takara level, but they are pretty close. I mean, they got better. That's all I can say. Apart from that, I think one more thing I wanted to point out, it's gonna burst. The teeth are really not that good. Like when you buy a DB Bay from Takara, mostly their teeth are pretty great, but in Flame DB Bays, the teeth are a bit loose compared to the Takara. I mean, they won't burst that easily, but they are a bit loose. But honestly, I like loose teeth, on my personal opinion. And if it has loose teeth, it gives me opportunity to make it burst. So I love that. Only Astral Speaker from Takara bursted in the all of my Takara DB Bays. And in Flame, my Ragnarok, my Belial, both bursted at least one at a time. So that's where I think Flame Bays are worth to have, because they burst. Not a lot, but sometimes they do. And that's due to their loose teeth. So I don't know if it was a mishap or they made it knowingly. So that was pretty much all I wanted to say about this guy. So let me bring out the stadium and let's do some action. So you can see our stadium has been set up and I got 4 bays here. So this one is my almost complete Belial Takara Tommy version. You can see S gear and F gear. And this one is this guy's counterpart, so it's a Flame Belial. Then obviously you already met Flame Valkyrie, and then we have a Ragnarok from Flame as well. So first I'm gonna do a battle between Flame Belial versus Flame Valkyrie. So before we do the battle, I'm gonna put the shot driver in, so even if it gets activated, we'll be able to see. So first obviously I'm gonna launch Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now this guy. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh my god, the driver has activated, guys. Let me show you. So it lost, but you can see the activation did work. So let me give it another shot. So this time I'm gonna launch Belial first. And the driver activated right away. And this time it was able to pull the win. So I guess this stadium is a pretty jumpy, so when it launches, it activates right away. So guys, that's a good thing. At least this gimmick works, so that what counts. I guess that was pretty fair battle, so they both are comparable. But the issue is this guy loses a lot of stamina when the driver gets activated. So I don't want it to get activated pretty much every time, but let's see how this goes further. So for the next battle, we got Ragnarok here. So first I'm gonna launch Ragnarok, because this guy has awful lot of stamina. And you can see it got activated. Oh my god. That's a dual burst. That's the power of Valkyrie. That's the power, guys. Let me gather the parts. So that's what I was talking about earlier, that these flame bays, they actually burst. And look at that, we got this thing off. So I guess these go like this. So they are just fixed, guys. You can take them off and you can put them again. I'm not gonna putting that again. I'm gonna keeping it off. So looks like our Valkyrie is awaking. So I was wrong that we have to take these off. I think eventually after battle they're gonna break and come off. So yes, awakening can happen in flame Beyblades, but it's like other way, because they are pasted, so they're gonna come off. So that was a pretty intense battle. Now we're gonna do one more battle. This is our almost perfect Belial because the V gear is missing, so almost perfect. And this is the Saviour Valkyrie. So this is a Takara Tomy Bay and this is a Flame Bay. So this guy is pretty heavy after getting 2 extra gears. So things are getting very hard for Valkyrie. I highly doubt it's gonna pull a win, but let's see how that goes. Driver, oh, now it activated. Wow. But still it's hard to pull a win from this guy. I mean, this is one of the best DB bays Takara has released. So guys, this guy lost, but that doesn't make it a bad bay. It's pretty amazing. So I would say this guy is pretty good. And the shot driver, I love the gimmick. I love it. I mean, out of all these 3 flame releases in India, this is the best. That's all I can say. If you have these 2, so just expect this guy to be a bit better. That's all I can say, guys. I mean, it doesn't come any close to Takara Bay. So guys, last time I made a video and I asked you to give 50 likes and that didn't happen. So for this video as well, we'll be aiming for 50 likes. Let's see how you guys do it. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope this video gets 50 likes. So let me know your thoughts in comment section. And I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.